divisibility test by 13. So in this video we will be seeing the divisibility test by 13. So most of the students are often confused in this. So let's see how we will do this. So suppose a number is there 143. So how to know that this number is divisible by 13 or not? So the steps we will be following is step 1, multiply last digit of the number by 4. Step 2, add this to the remaining digits of the number. Now the sum that we get, if it is either 0 or divisible by 13, then our entire number will be divisible by 13. So let's work out with our example. So here the last digit is 3. We will multiply 3 by 4. We will get 12. If we add 12 to 14, we will get 26, and we know that 26 is divisible by 13. So our number 143 is also divisible by 14. Let's take another example. Suppose 273. Here the last digit is 3. Let's multiply it by 4. We get 3 into 4, 12. If we add 27, the remaining digits with the number we got 12, we get 39. And we know that in 13's table 39 comes in the third multiplication. So our parent number 273 is also divisible by 13. So thank you.